Hello everyone, my name is Ojo Peter, and today I've got quite exciting news for every one of us. I'm starting a challenge, hoping to build an account to a 7-figure this year, and I feel like sharing this process with everyone, most especially people within the trading community or everyone who is interested in trading. And like you all know that there's a lot of economic trouble that is going on around the world. UK just entered recession again, if I'm not mistaken, and interest rate is still on the high side. There's a lot of things going on at the moment. Our take home is not taking us home anymore, so everybody is learning one or two things to do to make more money. And for me, I've been within this space for the last 3 years, learning how to make money from trading the financial markets, Forex to be precise. So today I've made up my mind that I'll be doing a challenge with an account. I'll buy an account, trade it, make money from it, and use the profit to buy more accounts, and from there build a trading portfolio of at least 7-figure that could bring a return. So if you're new to trading, you may not really understand what I'm talking about, but if you stick around, you understand eventually. So there are some companies that is called proprietary firm. They give you a significant amount of money while you pay a down payment. Say for example, this particular challenge, I'll be using the prop firm called Fundedness. So they've got a 200,000 fund that they can give to you to trade for them. You make the profit and you share the profit. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a very difficult thing to do. Trading is very difficult. You don't in your first year you may not even make any money. Like I said to you, I've been in this space for the past 3 years, so I understand what I'm doing. So in this particular one, you pay $999 and they give you $200,000. So you take that $200,000, they expect you to make 8% of that money, which is 16,000. Once you make the 8%, you've passed the first phase. They give you a fresh 200,000 again. They expect you to make 10,000 of that, 5%. And once you do that, that means you've passed the phase 1 and phase 2, and afterward they give you a life account of that 200,000 account. Now every profit you make from that at a given time period, for example, after your first 30 trading days, you share the profit. You can share as high as 95%. You know what that means? That is if you know what you are doing. Don't get me wrong, a lot of people are blowing their account, and what that means is that they buy the account but they never make it to profit split. So you have to understand that this is a very difficult adventure, but it is doable if you learn how to do it in the right way from the right person. So for me personally, I learned how to do this from Jeffrey Benson. If you within the trading space or within the forex space, you know who I'm talking about in Nigeria. I was in his mentorship program for more than a year, and we learned a lot. I did a lot for myself within the trading space, and it has helped me to do a lot of things. But this particular challenge is very important for me, and that is why I am sharing with everyone. I want everyone to follow this process, to follow this journey, and to be inspired and to learn from it. If you're new to trading, you can follow this, learn from it, and that might even kickstart your own journey. Or if you are in the trading space already, you may learn 1 or 2 things from it, and also it's going to keep me accountable to those rules that I'll be setting for myself and those things I'll be talking about on this channel. So number 1 thing is I'll be buying the account right in front of everyone here, and at the same time, after buying the account, I'll be trading it. Every day that I trade, I will post my analysis, the trade that I'm taking, I'll share with you, and the result of that trade eventually I'll share with you. I need to say that I won't be live every now and then while trading. I'll most likely take my trade in the morning, share, do a video on why I'm taking that trade, and in the evening or whenever I close the trade, share with you guys the reason why I exited the trade. Maybe it was in loss or in profit. So this is what we're going to be doing. So let's go into the account. So like I said to you, I'll be doing this through Funded Nest, and you ask why Funded Nest. So I used to trade with this company called My Forex Fund, but they had an issue with the US government last year, and they were shut down. They were completely shut down. So I lost my account with them. Afterward, I traded with the Funded Trader, and I've been funded with them since last year December. I lose the accounts this month, I think. Yeah, I lose the account this month, but I make some withdrawal from it. So I've been following this guy on YouTube called Abdullah Said. He's a forex trader as well and a YouTuber, and he's got a very great content on his YouTube. If you want to follow him, check him out. He's had a lot of content that you can learn from if you're new to trading as well. So he's talked about this Funded Nest a lot. So I've go to their websites here. Let's go to their website, Funded Nest, as you can see here. So I've read through their package, and as you can see, so they are doing very well for themselves. Over the course of the period that they've existed, they said they've made a payout of 80 million. That's huge, right? And it looked like a company that's got the experience. They know what they're doing. You see, they have people trading for the company in over 195 countries, and they have about 81,000 plus trader at the moment. So that means that they perfectly know what they are doing. Now look at some exciting thing here. They said they're going to give you a 15% of the 15% share from the challenge phase. So this package is usually done by My Forex Fund. Then they give you, I think, 2% on phase 1 and 4% on phase 2, but these people are giving 15% on the two phase. So for example, if you buy a 200,000 challenge account, you're getting back 3,900. If you buy a $6,000 challenge account and you pass the two phase, you're getting $117, and the account only costs 59. So you see, it's a very good bargain. But I keep saying this, you have to understand that it's a very difficult adventure. If you don't know how to trade, you will definitely blow the account and your money will be gone. So you have to understand that. Now, having said that, I'll be buying an account of 200,000, and I'll be choosing their Stellar Challenge. I've read about it and I feel it's a reasonable one, and it's the one I would like to take. So I'll be buying this account. Let's do that. Login. Okay. Oh yeah. So I've just purchased the account 200,000. As you can see here, the balance is 200,000. I haven't placed any trade on it. You can see the profit and loss, the drawdown, and the 0 trading days. And you can see the daily loss limit is 10,000. So I can risk up to 10,000 every day while trading this account to make whatever amount that I needed to make. And I have an overall loss of 10%, that is 20,000 as well. But my profit target for this phase is 16,000. That is for phase 1, just like what I explained earlier. So having said that, let's go to MT4. I've just onboarded this account to my MT5, and you can see here. So for this particular account, I'll only be trading 4 PM, 4 assets, or 4 currency pair, whatever you want to call it: the Euro card, the GBP card, and the Euro USD and GBP USD. And on this particular account, on every trade, I will not be risking more than 1%. Once I make a 2% profit, then I can go ahead to begin to risk 2%, so I'll be able to pass the challenge. So having said that, I just need to quickly say this before I round up this particular episode, that if you're new to trading, a good way to start is you can open an account here, create an account with them, Funded Nest. So you can create a free trial account, right? You can create a free trial account and look for the amount of money that you can buy. Say for example, you want to start with the $6,000. You don't need to go on to try $200,000 if you know that you cannot afford $200,000. Practicing with this and eventually going ahead to buy 6,000 doesn't make sense. So you can choose the $6,000 account and go ahead and enroll and trade that and see if you can make the money that the profit target that they're expecting you. If you can make it and you can do that repeatedly, then you are good to go. So you need to first and foremost prepare yourself, get the knowledge, get the information, interact with the trading platform, and understand what it takes and what is expected before jumping into it, so you don't lose your money, because they are also here to make money, and they only make money when you lose your money. You have to understand how all this work. Once you understand that, then you can go ahead and purchase an account. So like I said, I'm going to be showing us all my strategy, every decision I'm making, and why I'm making those decisions in the subsequent episode. So I would love you to stick around. You can comment, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get a notification whenever I release the video. But for this episode, I'll be releasing video almost every day. So far I'm not at work. I'll be releasing video anytime I'm placing a trade. I'll be releasing video, and I'll be sharing the updates on the accounts with everyone live. So stay tuned. Comment if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, if you have anything to contribute whatsoever, use the comment section and give a comment. And if you want to encourage me, the best way to do so is to like. Please, I need to say this: I don't sell anything and I don't buy anything. If anybody contacts you, because I know when this has to do with money, a lot of scammers and fraudsters want to use that avenue to say, oh, I don't trade for people, I don't collect money from anybody. Please don't pay anybody. Thank you. See you in the next episode.